Unlocking a phone with your face is a neat party trick, but let's be real. It's not always convenient, and it's not the most secure. Our love of increasingly bezel-less phones has made it hard to find a home for the humble fingerprint reader though. One solution that seems to be gaining steam? Hide it under the screen. Now, a few phones have already tried this trick, most notably the Vivo Nex S, which is equal parts fascinating and frustrating. And of course, you can't buy it in the US. The OnePlus 6T, however, is coming to America, has a fingerprint sensor under the screen, and the company even struck a deal with T-Mobile to sell its latest flagship. So here's how it works. Instead of sticking the sensor in a button or on the back panel, here it's hidden behind the display. When you need to unlock your phone or authenticate a purchase, etc., you put your finger in a particular part of the screen, there's usually a helpful visual aid, and the sensor reads the ridges of your print through the gaps in the pixels. This also means the 6T will have an OLED display, but we had no reason to think OnePlus would go back to using an LCD after 3 years of AMOLEDs. The company apparently wanted to use an in-screen sensor on last year's 5T, but the technology just wasn't ready for prime time yet. As for what else we can expect from the 6T, it's not clear. You'll definitely get flagship horsepower, and rumors have suggested there will be a bewildering 3-camera array on the back. Beyond that, all we know is the unlocked model should cost $550 when it launches sometime in October. We'll see you tomorrow with more.